All right, YouTube, we did it now. We sat at a light and a lady rear-ended us. I had a couple videos to put out today because we did these little modifications, which were really nice. I'll still put the video up later. I'm just aggravated, I guess. She hit me so hard, my glasses went, my head hit back and went forward, I guess, and my glasses ended up back here in the back window. Let me show you the damage she did. We debadged this and we got new things coming. I was going to do a video there too, but you see this wall is busted apart. I guess my daughter says the lights are a little off right now too, but thankfully not major. She bent the plate over, hit me right here, but thankfully I don't see nothing on the outside. But let me show you what she did on the inside. She pushed all this in. This is supposed to be straight back and this is all forward. I mean, they're gonna have to do some work right there. But the worst part of it is, I didn't even notice until I took it right to my guy. You really can't see nothing, right? Well, I'll show you right here. You gotta look at an angle. It buckled right here. That's a buckle. I mean, this, I gotta see what they're gonna do. I told them I only want the dealership to do it. I don't want no, well, I was gonna take it to my guy, which I trust. But he even said, you know what, take it to the dealership. You can see it now. The best part is, I have it on video. I have it on video. I don't want to put the video up yet. I'll wait till my lawyer does what he has to do with it after he says it's okay. Because the lady hit us pretty hard. And you can see it clearly in the video. I mean, we protect the seats with this cloth. I mean, you know, I don't even want to get nothing on the seats. I just put a sheet over it. My daughter stitched it up just to have. I mean, I don't want to put a seat cover and damage them. Soda went all over the place inside. My glasses, we found them back here. I wore them on top of my head. Anyway, hopefully the dealer's just gonna wait for them. The girl was having an emotional day, she said. But in the video, I'll just tell you, in the video through my rear camera, you can see her dipping her head, looking up, and then her head going down. If your head's going down, obviously you got your phone in your lap. She had the phone in her lap when we pulled into the side road, that side road, in the front of the Kroger. But you can see how nice and streamlined that is. Not over here though. And you don't know how upset I am. I was so mad, I even went to the dealership. You can see it when I move back and forth. I went to the dealership 2 months from now. He said, I get on the list, I can get the super stock. If they're not gonna fix this correctly, I mean perfectly, and I get a diminished value, I'm getting the super stock. I love this car though, I really, really do. I love the gray in it. It's just awesome. It's only got 7,700 miles on the car. I can't appreciate that much, but I guess it could have been worse. You know, she could have damaged the lights. I don't know how she didn't do anything else. She bent my license plate. I mean, you can see it. It's like formed to here. And my diffuser got, I think one of the clips popped out right here. It's a little loose. But everything else seems fine. You said one of these things, these sensors are out, Lee? Or no? One of the sensors down here are out, or no?
I don't know if the sensor in the
but
inside.
Just got to make sure everything else is good. I'll give you an update when I find out. I got to go to the doctor tomorrow. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. I'll upload a day or two us putting the badges on there. And I also have a video of us removing the Dodge. But I figure I'll post this one first. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Tell me, should I get the super stock and forget about this or keep this? Man. You can see how it's supposed to go over. And that's how much she pushed it in. I'm just not sure. Well, guess we'll just have to wait and see. All right, guys. Don't forget. It's the red key that counts.